Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the $1 coupon of Free Fire in your game. So friends, let's move to the video. Watch the full video. At first, moving to the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep the notification bell at all, which gives my notification video to you at first. So friends, I am back in the Play Store. I am going to show you at first my payment method balance. So you can see there is $0.2 my balance. In this video I am going to purchase the Free Fire $1 coupon, so I am going to use it. So friends, you can see my current balance of playpoint is 115, so I am going to exchange the $1 coupon into 80 playpoints. So friends, I have exchanged it. The transaction is processing. Yes, it has been successful. So friends, I am going to open my game, but at first I am going to show you my history. You can see there is minus 80 play points. So friends, I am going to show you again my payment method balance. You can see there is $2. Let's move to the game. At first, moving to the game, I am going to show you here is, you can see I am clicking on the 100 diamond, so it will work or not. Yes, you can see it is, yes, it has been work. You can see my payment method balance is $0.2 still. So friends, without any delay I am purchasing 100 diamonds. Yes friends, yes, I will click on the confirm, then transaction will be successful. That transaction is in the processing. You can see it, yes, it has been successful. So friends, my diamond is also added to my account. You can see 103 diamond. Okay, it has been, diamond has been also added. You can see my backpack is also completed in the top of section. So friends, I am going to provide you the one idea. If you are facing this problem, you can see this is my another account. When I will click the confirm button, and then you can see this types of problem, that transaction has been not successful due to what. Then I am going to say you in the next part. Bye bye.